Morning! So today, ang ipapakita ko na exercise ang ginagawa ko na full belly exercise. So ito ay 3 repetitions, 25 counts. Let's start! Okay, position. Okay, kahit saang bahagi ng bahay niyo, pwede niyo itong gawin. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Then rest. Rest. Second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 20, lumagpas na ako. Okay. Rest. Rest. Favorite ko din yung ganito. 1, 2. Okay, last. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Feeling good. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25. Rest. Napakasarap guys ng pakiramdam kapag ikaw ay nakakapag-exercise. Ayan, pinagpapawisan tuloy ako. Kahit 30 minutes every day, kung hindi pwede gawin sa umaga, pwede rin gawin sa hapon. Okay, ito din yung ginagawa ko first para limit yung aking bewang. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or kaya ganito, 6, 7, yan. Yan. So, try to be healthy and fit. Mas masarap talaga mabuhay kapag healthy ka at wala kang sakit at hindi ka pumupunta sa ospital, di ba? So, sana nakatulong tong exercise today. Pwede nyo gawin every day and kahit hindi nyo kailangan magsuot ng ganito, okay? Kahit naka-shorts lang kayo sa bahay. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.